Knife heads, good morning. Welcome to the Knife Nut channel. Today, we're going to talk about going fishing. Me and the family is getting ready to head off. Might do a little short clips of that, whatever. I might. Just depends. But I'm going to show you guys what I'm carrying to go fishing. My fishing attire. I got this Swiss Army knife that stays in my tackle box. This is a Huntsman. Why does it stay in my tackle box? Well, it's got a spear point blade. It's from Victorinox. The knife is. It don't mean much about the corkscrew. You could take that off and throw it over in the trash somewhere. But the main reason is the scissors. Cut line with and stuff like that. You got the scissors. And then say like if your fishing pole is coming loose from the rod, it's got a flat screwdriver, if I can find it, right there. The tip, flat screwdriver tip. Or right there, my bad. Right there. You can tighten something up, whatever. But I keep that in my toolbox, or tackle box. Yeah, I ain't gonna pull out all these blades. I just wanted to show you the main one, why this lives in my tackle box, was the scissors. So when I get done with this video, I'll put it back in my tackle box. So that's the Victorinox. It's also got toothpick, tweezers. I can't tell you everything about this because I don't know everything. I'm not a big Victorinox guy, but I do got this one and one more. So there it is, guys. That's my fishing tackle box knife. Now let's go into what I'm carrying today, shall we? Okay, first up, I got the Case High Banks modern knife with double detent. They call it a half stop. Pop up to the half stop there. S35 VN steel. It's got micarta handles. They made this after the Barlow. I'm carrying that. And I got the Knife Crazy slip. I'm still toting on the Panama. I love the Panama. I wish I had 2 or 3 more of these. If any of y'all out there's got one, y'all don't want, you can give it to me. Or we can work something out. Come on. But it's got the half stop. It's got the big Skinner. That's my carry today. I actually got one more. And I got the razor. 6.5 bone stag razor. Single blade. Awesome knife. If y'all ain't got you one of these razors, go get you a razor from Case. You won't regret it. I promise you. That's it, guys. That's my carry. I just wanted to show you. I do got a Victorinox but it stays in my tackle box. And I hope y'all have a great day. Try not to work too hard out there today. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's even got a saw on it. Got the saw, pen blade, clip blade, or pen. So it's got a lot on it. Scissors, fingernail. It's got everything. Anything you want in a little tackle box knife, get the Huntsman. Y'all, I love y'all. Stay classy. You hear?